Welcome to a tutorial on making screen recordings with your iOS 11 device. This will work on all iOS devices such as iPhones and iPads that are running iOS 11. Let's begin. First, on your iPhone, go to the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down to and click on Control Center. Inside Control Center, click on Customize Controls. This page displays your current control center configuration. By default, the screen recording option isn't active, so we just have to activate it now. Scroll down until you see the screen recording app, and then click on the green plus button to add it to your control center. Once it's added, you can decide which order it displays in the list of control center. Now swipe up on your phone to bring up the control center. You will notice a new icon here. This is the screen record feature. Just click it and it will start recording a live video of your iOS screen. To finish recording, swipe up to Control Center again and hit the same button. Once you finish, the new video will be saved in your photo gallery like normal videos. As you can see, the video we recorded is high quality, and it is possible to share your new video directly with your friends or social media. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.